starting a vlog on a random Sunday evening while I'm getting ready for church. Hello. Okay, let me make sure I'm not blurred this time around. The first video I posted, okay, it was blurred. Okay, it was so sad because I forgot that I had to reset my camera when I stopped filming, and then I just started filming out of nowhere without even like checking it out. So I'm really sorry for that last video, but if I did not post it, I'll probably not have posted or start vlogging. And I mean, I was like, what's the perfect day? What's the perfect day to start vlogging? Do you get? There's no perfect day. So yeah, hello, welcome to my channel on a random Sunday. This is where this vlog is starting. I'm trying to get ready for church. I go to church. My church starts by 6 p.m. Mostly because I work in the morning, so I go to church by 6 p.m. I have to. There has to be a way. Anyway, I'll get you ready. And I'm so exhausted because I've had the longest day. I'm going to put on my shoe and all that stuff, and I guess we'll go to church together. I think one of my issue with like starting my vlog again was mostly because like I needed to make it as normal as possible. It was normal, don't get me wrong, but I always had to wait for like an event. I always had to like wait for an event to. Okay, I'm trying to put on my shoe while I talk. I always like wait, like I always waited for like something happening for me to vlog. Do you get? But if I'm going to be posting once a week, like I want to, I have to just vlog. Okay, I mean the certain part of my life I'll probably keep private. Why am I doing this to myself? I could just sit down. The certain part of my life I probably could keep private, you know. But yeah, of course, definitely. However, if I need to post once a week, I just have to vlog everything, even though it's crazy. Alright, so I'm gonna wear my shoe and I'll see you guys. I could have just sat down. But anyway, I'm just wearing basic because it's evening service, right? I decided to wear like the most basic thing ever. Jeans. And this, it's a bodysuit actually. Guys, I got back from church last yesterday, and I was just so exhausted. I just got ready for bed and I slept off. But it's currently I'm laughing because I always wake up so early. It's currently 4:26. Okay, this is Monday morning, and I always wake up like around 4, at least 3 times in a week because I have to go to the gym, which is what I'm getting ready for. Get ready for the gym. I didn't realize I was a morning person until I started going to the gym. I used to think I was a night person because I can stay awake until maybe like 2 a.m. Not anymore though, because now I have to like prioritize my sleep, but I can still afford to stay awake until like 12, 1. But the problem with that is that if I have to go somewhere and I need to be awake by 4, even if I sleep by 1, I will still wake up by 4, and I'll wake up like all awake and bubbly. Like, I don't know. I've just concluded that I'm a morning person. So we're getting ready for the gym. I can't believe I'm still going to the gym. Oh. Like, you guys remember like my vlog, like what was that? This is 2023. That was like in 20, was it in 2021? Is that when I started going to the gym? Yeah, I think it was in 2021. But I wasn't like, I was consistent, but not like consistent. Like I'll probably go consistently for like 1 week or 2 weeks, and then I'll not go again. But I have been so consistent. I don't know if you go to gym, but like I feel really, I don't know, like sad if I don't go. I do take breaks though. Maybe like once in a month I'll just take like a week break. But other than that, I'm always there. It's like exciting. Alright? So we're going to gym today. Let's get ready. You know how people do their socks? You know how people do their socks and they put it up? Why can't I ever do that? Like, I feel like it looks crazy. So I just end up bringing it down. It's like extremely cold outside. I think yesterday was like 1 degree by this time. Cause just so you know, we in Australia, we go all the way like backwards. So it's summer everywhere, but it's winter in Australia. But this is like 9 degrees. Oh my god. How do I show you guys this? Start showing you guys my address. Okay, that works. This is like 9 degrees. 4:32. And we're going. Well, I was thinking, so I have videos that I filmed and they're on my channel before I stopped posting. I was thinking, do I post them? Like, I don't know, like 3 videos. One is even like a try on haul. And that was like my first time doing a try on haul. And I don't know. I was thinking, should I post it? Should I not post it? I think they are interesting videos. I'm not going to lie, but it's like it's been a year since I filmed it. Things have changed. I've probably changed, but like, I should post it. That's content, right? First of all, I used to wear these pants, okay, but now this is crazy. Like, I have to go. I don't know. I don't have anything else to wear. Like, this is what I planned on wearing, but I did not realize that if I wear it this morning, it will be like this. It's insane. But So I not do cardio. I know they were saying, oh, do cardio when you're in the gym. But I work 9 to 5 for my placements, digging. So I don't have the time to do cardio, okay? I leave the gym like maybe 6:30, sometimes 6:30 at most anyway. So I don't have time to do cardio and still come back and get ready and eat and do all that. But this is what I'm wearing to work today. Okay, this pants, where did I get it from? I think it was H&M. And then this bodysuit, I got it from, I think it was from Shein. Yeah. And then this jacket is from Just Jeans. So I do 9 to 5 placement. That's why I wake up by 4. So I go to gym 3 times a week. So I have to wake up by 4 times a week. But this is what I'm wearing. How is my face like? I don't know. Guys, I missed my bus. Oh my god. So I like to use the bus when I'm going to like my placements, which is 5 times a week. But because it's terrible finding the parking space there. But I left late and now I missed my bus. I have to wait for another bus. So now I'll be like late. Oh my god. So I wasn't late to work. You know how I didn't do cardio in the gym? I'm going to do my cardio at work during break. So I take like a leisure walk, just very chilled walk aimlessly, but aiming to get to at least 30 minutes to an hour. But first I'm going to put on my sunscreen. This is called Tokobo. I don't know. I got it from like a Korean skincare store. Korean Japanese skincare store. So it's like a roll-on because I keep touching my face when I leave the house. So you just roll it on and then you apply it. Okay. And I think this one is for normal skin. Either it's for people with normal skin or it's for combination skin. I don't know. But this one doesn't make me feel oily. It kind of like mattifies my face. I'm not even going to that. I'm looking at the mirror. It kind of mattifies my face. And it's so good. Don't forget to bring it down on your neck. Not me being in the bathroom and gisting with you guys. I don't know. There's people everywhere. I'm doing my placement in a clinic and we have clients, a lot of clients. Like it's a mental health clinic, of course. So we don't talk a lot because the silence is very much needed. So yeah, this is. I'm trying to see if I'm focused, but this is how my face looks like after the sunscreen. I usually choose like outdoor walk on my Apple Watch, and I just walk very casually for like an hour or 30 minutes. But I usually do an hour. Just very leisure walk, so I'm literally just strolling. Again, I don't know where I'm going to. I like it because I explore areas I've not explored before, just for an hour. Also, I don't stop. I just keep walking. Like I don't rest. I don't pause it to rest. I just literally walk for an hour. It was hard the first time, but I'm used to it. And it has made my like cardio in the gym when I'm using treadmill easier because now I can walk on the treadmill for an hour. Increase speed, not even like leisure walk, and I don't feel out of breath. So let's go. I was going to show you guys when I'm 30 minutes in, but I forgot. But we're 38 minutes in, and I think I've been walking faster than usual. I don't know. I'm not going to lie, guys. Walking in this place, like this particular trail, it reminds me of like some like scary Hollywood movies. I'm like, am I in a Hollywood movie right now? I mean, considering all the dangerous creature that Australia has for us, do I think this is a good idea? I don't know. But I mean, there are people around, but I'm not the one here. Why? Why is that? I don't know. I just like being by myself, so I can talk to you guys and not sound weird. I mean, I don't want them to tell me like I'm crazy, so I chose the lonely path. But it's just giving walking. Just imagine walking here in the night. It's giving Hollywood scary movie. Gang gang, one long crawling creature will just come. Okay, let me shut up because now I'm about to start scaring myself. Alright, let's keep walking. Oh my god, I think I'm walking too fast because I'm breathing so fast. This is no longer a leisure walk. I'm literally walking too fast. So I'm going to just slow down so I can make it to an hour at least before I give up. So I'm 57 minutes in, and I'm sort of like walking towards a gate, any gate I can find, because by the time I get back to the office building, it should be an hour, right? I don't know, but I feel like from where I am right now to like the gate or any gate I find will probably complete the 1 hour. So let's see. Check up for you guys when I get to 1 hour, but this is 63 minutes. It's over an hour. I just forgot, like, you know, like when I do these walks, I'm not like listening to any music. I just put my phone in my pocket and I just walk, right? And then I checked my watch and it's like 63 minutes already, and I'm pretty sure I am a little bit far from the gate. So I guess we'll be doing like an hour and 15 minutes. I don't know. So like when I get to the office building, I'll show you guys what an outside walk is for today. Okay, I'm literally out of breath. Okay, this is a new record I'm breaking. Why? I don't know. So guys, I just got back to the office and it's literally 8. Let me just stop it first and then I'll show you guys. Okay guys, so an hour and 20 minutes, 5.5 kilometers, and I don't count this, but 371 calories. So that's what we did today. Yay! Yeah, I am so exhausted. Oh my god! Oh my god! Okay, wait, hold on! Don't leave me! Wait, open. Shit. Okay, bye guys.